Mark Benioff made yesterday in his keynote. He said, typically, technology would permeate more in the individual's personal lives before it gets to the enterprise. And that's where I think the term, how do you build an agentic enterprise, came up. The other point that I liked was the fact that they made it real. Practically speaking, in almost every organization, there are challenges of systems being siloed, data being siloed, and people getting frustrated with that. The keynote spoke about how in such an environment, it's still possible to be able to get AI agent to work on top of all these systems. That got me quite excited. So there's a wide variety of products that we have in our portfolio, right? Personalization hence becomes very important because knowing about the consumer, keeping a zero distance with the consumer, and then being able to present to the consumer with the right set of products become extremely important. So a lot is going to change with the way we're going to operate our lives using personal agents, right? It's very important for organizations, especially consumer goods organizations like ours, to be prepared for this change. And hence, we need to be at a place where we work in tandem with people or our consumers using these personal agents so that it's our brands that get noticed and then eventually, commerced, right, to the individuals. But there is something which Michael Dell spoke about. He said, you're going to have a lot of problems to solve. Pick which ones the critical ones would be for your organization. So that stood with me. It sounds simple, but I think it's an extremely important thing on what you want to address.